Welcome to this free downloadable content, and today we talk about...
Today is part 9, day 7, the chore charts and reward tracker.
So this is fun because it's visual. Kids will see what's going on.
And it's something they can hold, and it just makes them really more excited for it.
If you have a lot of chores that happen in a week, you can use this chart. So you write all the chores for the week, and then every day when the kids accomplish, you put a little check mark. But if they're always different every day, you can use a chart more like this one. So on Monday, you write your chore, and then what's the value? So what's cool about this is at the end of the day, you can either give the money right away to your kids, or check mark and then wait till the end of the week to give them money. And it could be points, money,
or it could even be our skilled offspring dollars. We call them SOllars.
They're really cool though. Like, he makes it like an ad, but seriously, I find them so pretty. Look how pretty they are. And then there's also the cents, like these.
And it's perfect because that way, like...
It's upside down. And there's also the cents, like these.
And it's perfect because that way, like, they get physical things that they can hold, which kids absolutely love. And so they can actually see it adding up, but at the same time, now you're not out of money out of your pocket.
And the kids can also visualize. You can use like a little jar like this and draw whenever they accomplish, so they can visualize how far they are from their reward.
Right, and this is fantastic because it gives you a great opportunity to talk about progress and set expectations and then adjust your goals as necessary.
And then you can use budgeting to say, oh, if you look at your week and you look at how many points you can get in a week, how long do you think it's going to take? How many weeks do you think it's going to take to get your reward? So that makes them like think and budget and, oh, wow, it's going to take me 3 weeks to get this one reward. So that's pretty cool too, that they can understand the work. They can understand how much time it takes to get something.
Right, and putting all this stuff together really just helps cement down to them like, holy cow, mom and dad are awesome. They can do this all day, every day, and this is just life, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
And it prepares them for real life. And that has been part 9, day 7 of the Chore Reward Adventure.
Thank you for tuning in. If you want, the link is going to be in the description.
Hopefully we'll see you again next time.
Have fun!